everyone, welcome back to my channel Basagal in Dubai. Even though I don't have a cooking channel, I have a vlogging channel. In my daily vlog, I try to share some healthy recipes so everybody can make it and enjoy it. So suddenly I thought, why don't I share some good healthy recipes for kids, which I always make for my kids. And as a mom, we all have same problem, how to feed our kid lots of veggies. So I have brought some very common recipes with veggie twists, lots of veggies. So our kids can enjoy the recipes and as well as they eat lots of veggies. And definitely the taste will increase and at the same time lots of nutrition our kid will get. So without wasting our time, let's get started with the recipes. I hope you will like the recipe and your kids will definitely enjoy it. If you will like the video, please subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell so you will get the notification whenever I post the videos. So let's start with the first recipe. I am taking semolina. We called it suji as well. So I am taking 2 cup of semolina, and for 1 cup we need 3/4 cup of curd. So I am taking 2 times of 3/4 cup curd because I have taken 2 cup of semolina already. So I will mix it well, curd here, and then I will pour into the suji, and then we will mix it well very properly, and then we'll add a little water at a time, and we will mix this batter properly, and we will make a medium consistency batter, not very thin and not very thick. Now we will add salt according to taste, and then we will mix it well very properly, and then we will keep it aside for few 15 to 20 minutes for resting. Then we will prepare the tadka. We will take little bit oil in the pan, then we will add mustard seed and finally chopped curry leaves. So that's it for the tadka, and we will add this tadka into the batter. Taken some grated carrot and spinach and some coriander leaves. So we will add this all vegetable to this batter. You can take any of your choice vegetable. It's not necessary that you have to take only uh, this vegetable which I am showing to you. Then we will mix it well, and just before putting into the mold we will add 1 spoon of eno and mix it well, and we will transfer this mixture to the mold, whatever mold you have. I am making idli, so I have this idli mold. We will pour this, I already greased it, and we will pour this batter properly into the mold. One more thing you can add into this, that you can add green peas as well. It will give very nice taste to your idlis. So after putting the peas and mix it well, and then put it into the steamer for cooking 15 to 20 minutes. Now our idlis are ready to serve. Let's check our idlis. It's very soft and looks very yummy. You can serve with any chutney, any dip, whatever your kids like. I have taken here, I have served with the green chutney my kid like with this idlis, and some tomato ketchup. Let's start with the second recipe. For the second recipe, I have taken 1 cup of oats. We will dry roast it into the pan until nice aroma comes, and then I have taken 1 cup of semolina. This semolina is little thick, so I will grind it. If you have fine rava, no need to grind it. And then we will take this oats to the grinder and we will grind it. Now I am taking 3/4 cup of curd. We'll whisk it well, and then we will put into the bowl, and then we will take semolina and the oats which we grinded well, and then we will mix it well with a little water at a time and mix it a medium consistency. Now we will add our chopped and grated vegetable. I have taken one carrot grated, some ginger and coriander and spinach. We will add this vegetable to our batter and we will mix it well. We'll keep this batter aside for 15 to 20 minutes for rest. Just before putting into the steamer, we will add 1 spoon of ENO and mix it well, and then put it into your molds and put it for steaming. Just sprinkle some red chili powder and cumin powder. It gives nice look to your dhoklas. After that we will cook it for 20 to 25 minutes and then our dhokla will be ready. And for tempering I have taken one pan and just a simple tempering I am making. Just oils, mustard seeds, curry leaves and some sesame seed. It will give a nice look and flavor to your dhoklas. Now our dhoklas are ready. We will put this tempering, sprinkle the tempering on the top of the dhoklas and our dhoklas are ready to serve. You can serve this dhokla with any of your kids' choice dip or tomato ketchup. Enjoy! Recipe I have taken grated carrots, grated bottle gourd, lauki, spinach, palak, and this is empty for coriander. And I have taken normal atta, salt, some chaat masala, um, any of chaat masala, some garam masala. This is a garam masala and some ajwain carom seeds. So this is the ingredient for our paratha. You can take multigrain atta as well, and now we'll start making the dough. I have added some salt, some turmeric for the color only. It will give nice color to our paratha. Now I will add all my grated and chopped vegetable, and I have taken carrot, spinach and bottle gourd, and then I will add some garam masala powder and 2 teaspoon of chaat masala. It will give nice flavor to our paratha. And we will take some carom seed, ajwain, and we will crush with our hands and we'll put it into the atta, and we will make a nice soft dough with this. And after that we will start making our paratha. So our dough is ready, and now we will roll the paratha. And this paratha will might not be a very perfect round paratha because it's very soft, and because of veggies it might be not looking very perfect, but it's very healthy. So I will roll it down and then put it into the tawa, and we will add little ghee and butter, whatever you want, and make it a very nice crispy paratha and serve with your choice of pickle or tomato ketchup. My son like paratha with mango pickle, which I have made at home, and lemon pickle and tomato ketchup. So enjoy this vegetable paratha. For the last recipe, first I will make the batter, then I will tell you. This is very common recipe. I have taken 2 cups of semolina, and then I will add 1 cup of curd into it, and we will mix it well together, and we will add some water and we will make a medium consistency paste. Suji uttapam is very common in every house, but we will make it with 3 variation. With little variation, you can give a nice twist to your common recipe. So first and second twist, for the first and second variation, I have taken some vegetable, grated carrot, onion and tomatoes. And for the third variation, I am taking some capsicum and onion. I will cut into it and put it into the chopper, and I will chop it well because some kids doesn't like to eat big size of vegetable. So I have chopped it very well and I will put into here, so it will be easy for me to make. I have divided this batter to 3 different bowls so I can make the variation. In first variation I am putting that capsicum and onion chopped, And in the second one I'm putting some onion and tomato chopped, and I will put some grated carrots, and the third one I will leave it like that. And first variation I'm putting some chili flakes. It's not too spicy, so kids will not feel it very spicy. And then we will mix all the batter into very properly, and then we will add into the tawa one by one. I'm making a small sizes uttapam or chila, whatever you call it, so kids will like a small sizes. And then for it's easy for me to make the same sizes uttapam and chila, so it will look good together. So I'm in third one I'm adding chopped onion, tomatoes and carrots onto it, because I did not add inside the batter. And then we will press it little bit so vegetable will not come out when we will flip it. It will cook in few minutes. Now our three variation of suji uttapam or chila, you can call it, is ready. I have served with the same thing what my kids like it. So hope you will like all this recipe. Do try it and enjoy, and your kids will be happy.